Yeah, I'm Chris Watson on behalf of Premier Lube and Equipment Repair. I'd like to present their premium headlight repair kit. And today we're going to show you a three-step system that is the easiest, fastest, longest lasting, and most profitable headlight restoration system in the world. So let's get started. First, we want you to take out the step-by-step instructions, and we'd like for you to read these instructions multiple times to get a complete understanding of this process. First, you want to take and tape up the headlight with tape and paper all the way around the headlight. We just take paper, pull it out, lay it across the hood. I'm going to take this tape, lay it down the edge. Then we're going to put this all the way around the headlight. Then we're going to take and put a second layer of tape all the way around this headlight. Next, we're going to take our sanding block and we're going to sand the UV ray deterioration off of this headlight. The UV rays causes a reaction on the outside of this headlight. It causes it to turn yellow, or a cloudy layer, which is actually a UV ray protective layer from the factory that is now deteriorating off of the headlight. And even if it's shiny headlight along the bottom and the top has deteriorated off, you still have to sand that layer, good layer, off of the bottom of the headlight, which we've done over here in the corner because it's about all deteriorated off. So you can see the yellow deterioration coming off of this headlight. Next, we're going to take the 600 grit sandpaper. Come in close. We're going to take some water. And we're going to take the 600 grit sandpaper and we're going to wet sand this headlight smooth. And you can feel it going from the block sand scratches to the 600 grit. The longer you sand with the 600 grit, the better result you will have with the Premier Lube and Equipment Repair Headlight Repair Kit. Next, we're going to take the 1000 grit sandpaper. All of this comes in your kit. And we're going to take the 1000 grit and we're going to sand this headlight super smooth with this 1000 grit sandpaper. We're not going to add any rubbing compound, cleaning compounds. We are removing the UV ray deterioration and we're going to replace it with a UV protective sealant that will air dry on its own without the use of a UV cure wand, expensive tools, or anything of that such needed. We can feel this getting really smooth. So when I think I'm done, I just go over it again. There we are. Now we're going to take our wiping cloth, wipe off of the headlight, go around the edges. Now this can be done in the summertime, the wintertime. Only tool that's needed is in the wintertime you can do this process and then right before you spray it, take a $10 heat gun, blow some hot air on the headlight right before you spray the sealant. Now we're going to take our UV ray protective sealant from Premier. This is a UV protective coating, and you want to shake this up for 2 to 3 minutes. Our UV protective sealant has a UV ray inhibitor and an anti-yellowing agent inside of our sealant. Now we're going to do a test pass. We're going to start before it, come past it. Sometimes when it's a little humid like it is today, you can just take your $10 heat gun, blow some hot air on it, and you can see this cloudiness comes right out with just blowing some hot air on it. Now we're going to shake it up, and we're going to come back with our second coat. Test passed. Go past it. Once again, there's a little humidity, so we're just going to take the hot air, come a little bit closer and get that cloudiness as it disappears. And that's it. This will dry in 3 to 5 minutes. You can remove the tape and paper in 3 to 5 minutes afterwards. In behalf on Headlight Premier, Lube, and Equipment Repair, Headlight Restoration System, the easiest, fastest, longest lasting, and most profitable headlight restoration system in the world. Thank you very much.